Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to evaluate f of -3, f of 0, and f of 2 for the piecewise defined function. Then, to sketch the graph of the function. So first let's find these values. F of -3. -3 is less than or equal to 1, so therefore f of x is equal to -1. F of 0. 0 is also less than or equal to 1, therefore the value of the function is still -1. And finally, f of 2. 2 is greater than 1, therefore we can use this formula 7 minus 2x, becomes 7 minus 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so this is 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. Now we can find the graph of the function. We have on the y-axis, we have f of x, and on the x-axis, we just have x. Next, let's draw some points on the axes for reference. When x is less than or equal to 1, the value of the function is equal to -1. So let's draw this in pencil here so we can erase it. X is equal to -1, this is just a horizontal line. When x is greater than 1, we have 7 minus 2x. So the value of the function at 0, the y-intercept, is 7. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have a slope of -2. So it's going down from there, more or less like this. You can be more accurate with yours if you want. But these are our two parts of the function. Now we have to restrict them to the actual given domains. So for -1, this horizontal line, x has to be less than or equal to 1. So we put our point at 1 here, and then we erase the rest. And next, we have this line, 7 minus 2x, if x is greater than 1. So x is equal to 1. Right there, we do an open circle because we are not including 1. And then we erase everything before it. So this is the graph of the function. These are the values for the function f of x.